How to transfer text messages from Android to Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Google. After you click on Google, simply click on Manage Backup at the bottom and Recommended. Then, you will find Backup Now. Click on Backup Now at the top. After you've done that, everything will be backed up on this account. Now what you need to do is open another phone and log in with the same Google account. After you've logged in with this Google account, you will be able to get all your text messages, which will all transfer. And this is how to transfer text messages from Android to Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.